Frustrated by the Winrnr Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before diving into the Winrnr library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Winrnr library, the Windows Resolution and Registration (RRNR) library. It manages localized, unmanaged, localized socket, localized name registration, and localized discovery for legacy localized protocols like IPX and SPX or NetBIOS within the localized Winsock stack. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Winrnr Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Winrnr library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Winrnr Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Winrnr library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Winrnr library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support